Hi everyone and welcome. You join us today on another drive. This time we are heading from the Queen's Park in Crewe to a small village called Warmingham, and we'll be stopping at a pub called the Bear's Paw. So I hope you enjoy it everyone. Thank you.
I'm not sure where it's sticking to the town centre or not.
In 100 yards, turn right onto Alton Street. Turn right onto Alton Street.
Oh yeah. Am I going up there? Yeah.
8 miles.
Continue on Alton Street for 3/4 of a mile.
1.63. Right, so we are on the outskirts of Crewe here. I've got a bus coming. You have to put that on the thing because it's on a fixed map at the moment, so that's better. So yeah, a lot of cars parked around here, but you can coat down or something, just rubbing. We are heading towards the centre of Crewe by the looks of it, to be honest. It's he was looking at that van. So I do believe there's a lot of council type. Build properties, that's probably why there's lots of contractors knocking about. Alright, I'll find this we're crossing over. No idea where it's taking us, shall we? But we'll trust the sat nav. Very wise, wasn't it? Yeah. Absolute selfish woman. Why didn't you just wait there? I'm clearly sure I'll just ram up the curb instead.
In 300 yards, turn left onto Flag Lane.
The easiest thing to do is wait. I mean, I could have waited, I suppose. The big park. Hey? Yeah, there's lots of teenagers, isn't there?
There's a college or something, a kind of band.
Turn left onto Flag
Lanyards on
Lane.
and stuff, so there's a college or something around here.
I've got no idea where this sat nav's taking us, by the way.
In 1/4 of a mile, turn left onto Hightown.
We are basically driving through the streets of Crewe. Oh, it's a stinking pothole. And there's a pub here on the right called the Earl of Cheshire. Not in very good condition.
Nope.
Very poor condition roads. Almost like being in Nottinghamshire. Oh, some old houses here, look. Yeah, very old.
Turn left onto Hightown.
Okay, we're on
Continue for 3/4 of a mile.
somewhere called Hightown now, in Crewe. And if you're watching this and you are from Crewe, tell us what it's like to live in Crewe. Very interested to know your thoughts. And we're coming up to a 20-mile-an-hour zone, so I'm guessing that's because of the school, as there is a school down here. I see why it takes 15 minutes now to get to this destination, because it's you're basically riding through town. Or parts of it, anyway. Yeah. Lots of traffic lights. Right, green to go. Now, of course, we're in the 20-mile-an-hour zone, so I'm guessing that's because there's a school here, which I think there is on the right. There's a big old building up here. What's this? Another set of traffic lights. And another big park. Oh, this is the Crewe crematorium on the right up here. And the Brooklands Park, I'm guessing that's called. Oh, back up to 30 now.
Look at that house.
Yeah, it's a very... Oh, that's a church that's next to it. That car's parked a mile away from the curb. Protect alloys or wheel trims. Backyard, someone's been spotted. Need to have a look at that. Shouldn't be no one on our backyard.
Wheelie bin man.
Oh. The wheelie bin man?
No.
No, I don't know yet.
No, it shouldn't be the wheelie bin man.
Is it?
What's that?
Someone's putting our bins in.
Andrew.
I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah.
In 300
Oh, we had to-
yards,
Red Bin needs to go
at the
back out, though.
roundabout, take the first
Steve
exit
cleans
onto
it.
North Street, B5076.
It don't matter. It don't matter.
Looks like Andrew.
Yeah, is it?
He's obviously seen our Facebook and assumed we're away.
So we are turning left.
Why does it say that unclear?
It gets quite easy. It keeps getting condensation in it.
That one's virtually stopped on roundabout, hasn't it?
Exit the roundabout onto North Street. In 300 yards, turn right onto Broughton Road.
Oh, old sign on that pub look, the Horseshoe Public House. Celebrated Stockport Hall. Can't really read it, the Horseshoe. That's an old pub, that. We're going right before the railway line bridge.
Turn right onto Broughton Road. Continue on Broughton Road for half a mile.
I didn't realise he was waiting. But it was just sat there.
Here it is, just like that.
Is it? Oh, I waved at us for some reason. Maybe he's seen himself on camera. I'm going, oh, I'm on camera. Well, I think we're still in Crewe, shall we? I won't necessarily say we're in a village. I think the wife thinks we're in a small village, but I think we're still in Crewe. But we don't know the area, so can't comment.
In 300 yards, turn right onto Warmingham Road. Turn right onto Warmingham Road.
So we are going to Warmingham. And we are going on to Warmingham Road. Pretty quiet, not many cars around this bit. It's a lovely little area, this.
Continue on Warmingham Road for 2 miles.
Yeah, another little pub called the White Lion. Yeah, nice big beer garden on the back of it. Obviously, if you're from America or other countries and you're not sure what we're talking about when we say a beer garden, in England, in Wales, Scotland, Ireland, and probably some countries in Europe, you have a big open beer gardens where you can sit outside and have a drink. An extension to the pub.
School bus.
School bus, yeah.
It's better than this Aston school bus.
What?
We're now in the village of Warmington, so we've got to look at where the church is, Shelley. And
The sat nav taking us to the church.
so if you're interested in hiking content and interested in like churches, villages, towns, parks, holiday destinations, then check out my other channel, Raymond Elite Travel. Quite a long way down here. I thought we were a lot closer to the village. We're not, are we really? We're still a mile away. Just had a hawk of some kind. Well, this road's not in the best condition compared to some of the other roads. Believe it or not, this is a national speed limit road. But you wouldn't want to do the national speed limit due to the amount of potholes along the road here. Try and stay away from the edges because the road's not in good condition at all. Right, so we are now coming up to the village. We are going to check it out.
In a quarter of a mile, your destination will be on the right.
I'll try and work out where to park. It's the biggest issue we're going to have. Oh, so I've got a farm, a big farm and all. Okay.
Your destination is on the right.
Now, I would have parked there, but he's decided he's parking there.
Park on that side.
Hey?
Park on that side. With it's all down here, but it's quite a way down, I think.
Well, it's telling me to park in the pub car park, isn't it? Oh, shall I have a look? Is there a village all around here?
No, it's further down the road.
Hey?
Further down the road.
Alright. I think I'll get away with parking around here. I think it matters. Does it say patrons only anywhere?
That's the car park.
Yeah, I know.
I think if they right down this end.
Can you get through the side there? But you can't, can you? No, you can't.
No, so you kind of stuck in the car park.
Oh, I think we'll be alright. I don't think anyone's going to come out and say patrons only. You think?
So I hope you enjoyed that, everyone. A bit different this time with a bit of microphone content included. Please remember to check out the playlist and check out the other drives on the channel and subscribe if you're new here. Thank you very much, folks, and goodbye.